Hello, hello, friends. Welcome back to the Blushing Mint. I am Dion, and I am so happy to have you guys here with me today. I hope you guys are doing well, and I just want to thank you for joining me, and thank you so much for your comments and all of your suggestions and your questions and all of those things. I'm just grateful and happy to have you guys along with me on my journaling journey. Today's video is going to be a flip through of this first industrial style journal. I am so happy with how this turned out. I just absolutely love it. It's a new style for me, and so it's a little different. It's a little out of my comfort zone. But this printable kit from Pink Monarch Prints absolutely just makes it so easy to create with. So I just want to take a minute and do the complete flip through of this journal with you and share with you what I've done with this first one. So without further ado, here we go, friends. So our cover is one of my faux leather envelope covers. And I've got the notes on the front here. It has a little bulldog clip closure that keeps it closed. I've got a little travel, what do you call these things? Charm, sorry, a little travel charm on there, and then my little Made with Love signature heart. And I've got that just attached to that little clip. We've done the 3-pocket tab on the front, and I've just got my tags in here. I've tied them up with some, I think it's called scrubby yarn, but I kind of liked it. It's this black gray industrial color. And so I've just put these quickly on the top of those. And so that is our front cover. And then on the inside, we have our library pocket with our This Book Belongs To. And I have done very, very minimal embellishing. Normally I would embellish on this and stuff, but I wanted to keep this just so simple for a masculine style journal. So then on our front, I have the slide pocket, and I've just backed these on with some paper there. And these just tuck down in here, so that's a little bit more journaling. And then we've got our, and unfortunately the video on this, I believe, had no sound. I don't know. Technology is just not my friends. So then we've got just our little hand stamped and stenciled pages. I've added a few extra stamping and stuff to it. We've got a little pocket here with a tag in it. I did a little tuck here, but I didn't put anything in there. Some additional stamping, and then I just lightly dyed some papers and added a little stamp to the top to tuck in here. And then this opens, and that is hidden journaling there. Added just a few of the embellishments from the kit on some of the pages, along with some additional stamping. We've got a quick journal tag there. And then over here, I went ahead and I was going to just have this as a clip pocket, but I decided instead I glued it on the edge and on the bottom and made it a tuck. And then I added some additional hand-stamped papers there for additional journaling. And same over here. And everything just coordinates nicely together. Then this is a flip out with hidden journaling. And another little piece of copy dyed and hand dyed paper there with extra stenciling. Then we're at the center of our signature. We've got our little tags and tall pockets. I went ahead and I added the little policy closure here on this envelope. I didn't stick anything in there. I think that's a great place for someone to add their own treasures. I think I have this to go around 3 times here. And then I added a little feather charm onto the end of that. Another little journaling card from the kit. And then we have the covered paper bag, a little paper bag here. And so we've got some tags there from the kit. Just extra, lots of journaling space. I have a long tuck, and then one of the tags that we made from our master board. Some extra stamping and stenciling here. Lots and lots of journaling. This is a flip out here. You could journal on it, or I think this one would be great to place photos in. Then just a little bit more paper to write on, and another one of those embellishments from the kit there. And then this is the library pocket from the kit, and it's just got a little hand stenciling on the back, and another little tuck here, or journaling space. And then here, I just went ahead and I just tri-folded a piece of coffee dyed paper, did a little stenciling inside and some stamping, and that just goes into that belly band there. And then the back has another one of the slide pockets here. And those go in there. I love these. These are so cute, the way that they're set up for those images to show right through that slide. And then we have the back, and then I just did a quick coffee dyed envelope, did some extra stamping and stenciling on it, and then inside I just folded up another piece of that coffee dyed, hand dyed paper there to go in that. And that fits in there perfectly, and it just slides right down into that belly band on the back. And the only thing I have left to do to this is just add my little business card template and my original handmade fabric tag, and this journal is done. That is a wrap on this industrial style journal using those images from Pink Monarch Prints. So I absolutely love how this journal turned out. I hope you guys like it. And I appreciate you hanging along with me for the share of this. And I hope maybe you guys try a journal like this for yourself. This one was super easy. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to whip out the second signature, doing pretty much the same, but I actually might make it a little bit more feminine. I'm not sure. But yeah, this was just super fun. And so I hope you guys enjoyed the processes of this journal and you like how this turned out. I would love your thumbs up if you enjoyed it, if you like it, and your comments on anything that you took away from this. So thank you again for joining me. Thank you guys so much for always being just so super kind. I'm just so thankful. And for now, I'm going to go ahead and sign off. And I hope that in the meantime, you guys are finding time to craft. You're finding time to take care of yourselves. And I look forward to visiting with you guys in the next video. Until then, friends, take care and be well. We'll chat soon. Bye-bye.